Today we're gonna get the tile cursor. Make a new sprite called cursor should do it. And then make a big rectangle with no fill but 5 outline. And press shift while dragging so it makes a perfect square. And the size should be around 32 by 32 pixels. Okay, and go to the codes. When you've clicked it forever, go to X, and now we want to do something. Maybe of mouse. Actually, why do I need a device? Mouse X and mouse Y. You may find this file. If we add place blocks for later, then it will stack on top, and that is not good. So you will not believe this, but we will have to divide it by 32. Divide by 32. Mouse Y. And now it will but we need to, of course, round it first. Round. The fun bit, we gonna multiply it back by 32. And now you ask, why did we multiply by 32 again? That's just nothing. Well, let's see. Okay, but the blocks didn't but the cursor didn't actually perfectly align with the tiles. So what we're gonna do is not move camera. Actually, we will move camera, but we're gonna make a new variable. Call it X for this part only and Y for this part only. Of course that if you see is lowercase, then you can take for this part only, and the uppercase is for all right. So make it X and Y, and now you should see the whole project is working. We can fix that by making a new go to X. That is just positioning, okay, of the X minus camera X and Y minus camera Y. Reset it. Set the X and Y back to 0 so that it can reset. Okay, our place is getting a bit messy now. We can delete the set Steve. That is for only power ups. Okay. Actually, we should reset the cameras too. So set camera X and set camera Y to 0. Now the camera to 16. And now what have we created? Yay! It's not a scrolling game anymore. So then we can add an if. What? No, not that. Checking for the y position is greater than to actually 180. Then we can change camera right by 32. Yeah. Okay, so I used the wrong one, not the less than, greater. I really meant that. Okay, I'm sorry. Just need to change y by -32. That should do the job. And now height the camera and now we can have it also but yeah, that what happened. Okay, so X position is greater than 240. Then we change camera X by 32. And of course we change X by -32. And for the same as if we go left. X position negative, actually you need to swap it for a less than, right? Isn't it? Yeah, sure, less than -240. There we go. If y position is less than 180, change camera y by -32 and change y by 32. Actually change X by 32. And now running that again,